The Master Analytical Science for Industry provides something that very few institutions in England would do. It provides the student with a few modules in the first semester, which would help the students being even better at analytical science, but more importantly, it provides a very long placement. It's a very substantial placement in industry or with industrial input over 2 semesters, and we are the only one at Keele University to provide such a placement.
This is a new course to Keele, but a very exciting one, which focuses on the interaction with our MSc students with industry.
I chose the course basically because of this placement aspect. So we've done a 6-month placement out in the industry, and obviously that boosts your CV a lot, so that looks really good. So that was my reasons for choosing the course.
So I started the placement and then my confidence grew. I was much more confident in labs, doing the lab work, being left on my own to do independent work. I just felt that I flourished, and I was in industry and it was so much different to academia. It was more deadlines, it was more get and go rather than stopping, waiting for a lecturer. I could just do my own thing, I could just work at my own pace.
Yeah, overall it's actually been extremely helpful. I found a job at the end of it. I was able to show that I could do research as well as working within a company, both with a team as well as individual. And it's also provided me with a lot of other life skills, help organisation, actually having help support here to look for jobs and speak to people within industry.
I was invited by David, Chrystelle and Wilcox to get involved in the course a couple of years ago, and so we spent a couple of days designing one little bit of the module, which was looking at the industrial contribution to the module. And so my involvement was writing that. Once it was written, then they wanted somebody to lecture that particular part, so they came back and said, could I lecture? And I said, yes, absolutely no problem at all. And so the first year cohort, I was lecturing the students and I had a great time. They're a really good bunch of students.
What is very special in teaching in that course is to see the students develop to the industrial world. As soon as they start the placement week 1, they're so excited, they've learned already so much and they absorb so much, so we know we're getting there, we know we're getting them to a different level, and they are ready, or they're getting themselves ready for the professional world after the graduation.
Just do it, just go for it.